Hi, I'm Lisa, coming from Dräger Safety in Lübeck, a company for safety solutions and also medical equipment that you might know. And I'm a UX design manager, meaning that my background is industrial design, but also I'm now more in organization of the design process and content that we have in one of the portfolios of the products. And doing this cooperation is really valuable for us because it gives sort of an external perspective. So we have a lot of parallel workflows at Dräger, and here in specific we focus on 3 departments and other departments also involved, but not primarily. And we look into our collaboration and facing the challenges that we have. It's really helpful to also have this external perspective and the methodology of the students deeply doing the research and giving us insights that we might not have found out yet. So in specific, this project that we did now is really helpful for the involved departments. First of all, in the first place, it gave us the possibility to already in interviews discuss the topics more than we might usually have time to do it. So while we are with multiple stakeholders in our daily work communicating, we set this focus, and already doing this project, it helped us to foster our own communication. Besides that, also the results showed us that we have hands-on approach now to really be tested out, and that's great. So we can directly go as the 3 departments that we chose to try it out and to learn further with it. So doing the cooperation with the Design Management International program together, it's really valuable for us because I think we give on one side the students the opportunity to have a real project. So we really are tackling here a real challenge that we have at Dräger, and at the same time, we come together in this international group of students and have a lot of learnings together, and we already fostered our own learning process, I believe.
So in this project, I learned how to conduct research, like how to conduct interviews with different stakeholders, and also how to analyze those learnings.
So I think my key learning for this project was mostly the alignment with all the people that were involved in the project, and getting feedback and also giving feedback that really helped our project to flourish to what it was today, to just also implement it, grow and learn together.
This is the first time we worked with a real organization here in the hslu design management program. And that was a really interesting experience. And we worked as consultant, designer, prototype builders, and it was a great experience.
What I found interesting is that we worked with a real world company and we developed several strategies in order to help the company improving processes and in this specific case processes within a user experience department. This means research and development department, and it was quite an interesting course, quite challenging, but we are happy with the results. In order to support the course, we also explored several theoretical frameworks like a learning organization framework and the Theory U that also supported the process of development.
Yeah, for the students it was their first bigger design project where they really went through all of the design processes and steps in an iterative way. So they did a lot of design research, interviews, workshops, and then they received feedback from the project partner on their ideas, and now they have presented their final proposals for the company to foster their internal learning and collaboration.
Also taught in this module. It's called Learning Organization, and a sub-module which is called, or sub-course, which is called Theory U and Self-Awareness. And we work together with Dräger as our project partner. And for us, it's really important that the students have real life experiences with organizations they will later on then also work on. And so a very important part of this module was not only focusing on the learning processes, but really how do we learn together with Dräger, how do we create participatory processes and foster within this module a space of collaborative learning.